Today I'm going to talk about blending modes, and let me tell you, this is going to be an interesting video. Well, for now I'm going to leave this cute cat and this cat that are actually my grandma's cats, and I'm going to this image right here. Fun fact, this girl in the picture is me. Anyway, I have two more photos here. One is this background and the other one is this smaller background, but we're going to play with these images or these backgrounds. In order to have these backgrounds, you can just go to Google and hit like background images, and then just download the images that you like more, but try to find something simple, something like a wallpaper or something like this. I'm going to select the rectangular marquee tool, and you can do that by pressing M, the letter M. Now I'm in circle. Yeah, sorry for that. Let's go back to the rectangular. I'm going to hit Ctrl D, and then I'm going to select it. Alright, now copy, and here just paste it. Alrighty, then I'm going to the stars, and I'm going to do the same thing, just copy and back here and paste it. Okay, this is too small. Anyway, we don't mind, and I'm going to show you one trick here. I have a layer to select it, and then I'm going to layer, and here I'm going to smart objects, convert to smart object. Smart object is a big chapter, so I'm not going to get into a lot of details, but let's just stay in only in the process of converting an image to a smart object. Then I'm going to hit Ctrl T, and this is the free transform tool, and from here you can make it bigger or smaller. I don't mind right now that that the aspect isn't as it's supposed to be, because in the end we're not gonna see almost anything in here. So I'm just going to click on enter, and I'm going to leave it like this. Then I'm going to deselect it and go to layer 1, and I'm going to do the same thing, like going to a layer and then smart objects and convert to smart object. Alright, go back to layer 2. This is great. Go in this little tab here that says normal, and if you click on it, you'll see that there are several things. Okay, let me tell you that the ones that I'm using more are darken, multiply, and then maybe lighten, soft light, hard light. Sometimes I play with these 4 values here, but these are more like color things, so yeah, not always. But let's see what darken does. See, it changes the whole picture. Let's see what the multiply does. Again, it will darken the picture. The lighten one will have this effect, which I actually like it. And now let me tell you a trick. If you just have your mouse over this tab here, and then you scroll up or down, you can see only the effects. And I would encourage you to play with these blending modes, because you're gonna have a beautiful effect very easily. You don't have to do like anything, just have a background and then convert it to smart object and then play with the modes. I'm sure you will find something that you like it. Yeah, for example, this one, the difference, I don't really use it, but now in this case I like it. Okay, there you can also use 2 or more of these blending modes together, but I'm actually going to delete this one. I'm not going to use it. Yes, okay, and then sorry for that also. Yep, let's go back here. All right. Okay, then you have the opacity, and you can also play with it and see how much you want it to show your background or not. Alright, we'll leave it in like 90%, and then also you have the fill option. See? It will fill some or maybe more of your image. Then you have the channels. Here in the channels you have the RGB, which is what I have selected to be as my main colors, and as I told in a previous video, RGB stands for red, green and blue. I'm going to delete, like to have here only the red, or I'm going to have the green and the blue. So see the difference here? And this also depends about the layers and the filter that you have used here. So maybe if you are in something very soft and then you go to channels, then you will have some different effects, right? So not everything is similar, and you really have to search everything, and I'm sure that you will find something great. Alright, yes, I think that this is for this video. Please try something out. I'm sure you will find something that you really like. It's easy to use this feature and you will create some amazing things. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned. Bye!